Hello parceros, and today is the day I'm gonna talk about the YouTube partnership, like the new regulation, if it's actually that YouTube hit all the small channels and if it's good or bad. Hello everybody! Man, I am talking. Why are you doing here? I don't need you here. We're gonna talk about how to make your YouTube channel better. What you need, what are the elements that you really need. Okay, so roll the intro. Roll the intro. You don't have any intro? Create one. Okay. Go on, create. Let's go.
Everything started when I received this email from YouTube. They actually said that if I don't complete 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months and 1,000 subscribers before the 20th of February of this year, my channel not gonna receive any more money. So after I received that email, I come here and I check the last 365 days. If we check 4,000 hours is 240,000 minutes and I have over that. Yeah, so for the watch time I am good. But for the subscribers, I need other 500 subscribers. So man, when I saw that, it's like, no! Okay, that was too much. For the past 3 years, I've been earning 100 and something every year. That is the minimum payment that YouTube gives to the people. And YouTube taking this is gonna eliminate all this small channel of paying $100. For them, I think that is not much money. But for me, it's 100 ice cream. And a lot of people in the world live with less than $1 a year.
A day! This guy always gets confused.
So here comes the first question. What do you want from YouTube? You want money? You want to be the next YouTuber? You want to share your knowledge? What you want? So before thinking on that, you need to know if you have all the elements. I am not talking about the expensive cameras. I am talking about
the story.
It's your energy, it's your personality. And the most important thing, the people need to feel that they are receiving something from you.
Not like in your travel videos that you don't give any information.
So if you feel to record, maybe yes, maybe not, go for it, you know. Sometimes I don't enjoy it so much, like recording this and this. It's a lot of effort because I am not good on that. Talking here with my bad English, I don't like it, but I said today I'm gonna make this video. I don't care what people say. And you want to be the next YouTuber? Marry your camera and go with this camera everywhere. Sleeping, waking up, taking a shit, eating, whatever. And you need to upload videos.
Simple. More videos, more views.
These guys that have millions of views, they do thousands of videos. You can check other channels and learn from them. They are making this full time. Check it out this.
Let's go back. I think something that very few people know is that I didn't monetize my first 100 million video views.
He didn't care about the money until he just get a lot of views. For example, just to record here, I don't have much equipment because all the equipment that I have, I carry with me. So I cannot buy this big light or this big camera. I don't have a place. So check this. Look, I have my GoPro Hero 6. It's shit. Don't buy it. $500. There. It's making the job, but it's freezing so many times. And I checked some reviews and it's happened to a lot of people.
So whatever, just show how you was recording yourself.
Look, I have my computer there. I have another light I put there. I have the camera here. I have a microphone connected. So with the elements that you have, just you start doing the video.
Because it's not about all the big and expensive camera. It's about how you tell the story.
So if you have an idea, just with your phone is enough. All the knowledge is there. Online, it's in YouTube.
Where YouTube? Where? Tell me YouTube.
So after all this, I just decided to change my name. Before my channel was RockDaniRoll Around the World. And I decided to change this part around the world and just make it smaller. RockDaniRoll. Because I'm not gonna do only travel videos. I want to start sharing wherever I feel like to.
You didn't change the name. You just make it more smaller, shorter. And that is more rock and roll.
Also, I built this new company, Salto VIDA. This company is just starting, so I'm gonna make a lot of videos for that. It's gonna be in Spanish because it's only in Latin American countries that I am putting the target. This company is selling Shaolin Kung Fu in China because I manage this channel and I make all the videos for this school. So check it out. Kung Fu in China is amazing. One of the best experiences that I have in my life, and now I'm selling it through my own company, Salto VIDA. I hope that you enjoyed this video and hit this subscribe button. And if I get 500 subscribers before the deadline, that is 20th of February of this year, I will buy 100 ice creams and I will give it to some kids in China. Help me with that. So guys, I think this is everything that I have. I don't want to take more of your time. Hit the subscribe button and
see you in the next video. Everything is about the ice cream.